Here's how to pause Instagram Reels on iPhone and Android. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can pause Instagram Reels on your iPhone and Android device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, just basically open up Instagram. And here I'm on Instagram. What you basically need to do is just go to your Reels section right over here. And here, as you can see, these are all the reels that I can pretty much watch, and pausing them is very simple. So you just gotta go and find the reel that you actually want to pause. So right over here, this is the reel that I want to pause right over here sometimes. So here, as you can see, you basically need to hold the screen with your thumb or finger. So just like if you tap and press on it, it'll just pause the reel right over there. But like if you want to pause it on a scene that you want to screenshot or something like that, you can just go ahead and do something like that, and here you go. This method works for both iPhone and Android. So yeah, this is actually it on how you can pause Instagram Reels on iPhone or Android device. So I hope this video helped you all. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.